Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP Color LaserJet Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to fix jammed paper on this device. Remove jammed paper. Firstly, you need to shut down your device. So firstly, disable your device and unplug power cable from your printer. So you need to disconnect it from the electricity. Then you need to open this cover, not the scanner cover, but you need to open the print cover, and here you will find jammed paper. You need to pull it from the printer. Okay, jammed paper was successfully removed, but it's not all. Then you need to open the paper slot. Open it, and here you will find this blue button. Press on it and remove the paper slot from your printer. Then wait a while. Then you need to check this place, and you need to check is the jammed paper here too. So in my case, as you can see, I have jammed paper here too, so I need to remove jammed paper from here. So to do it, I just need to take my paper off. And okay, in my case that's it, but sometimes you need to open the toner panel too. Remove this toner slot, and here you can find jammed paper too, so you need to remove jammed paper from here too. But I have no jammed paper here, as you can see. As you can see here, I have all okay, so I don't need to remove jammed paper from here. And that's it. Now we just need to close all slots. Then connect power cable. And enable your printer. So click OK, and that's it. Now your printer is ready to print. So for example, I will try to copy my document again. And that's it. It works. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.